Hey everybody, we're really excited here at Color Matrix. We're down to just a couple of days. Friday, 10 a.m. is our open house, and we'll be printing this on the ROQ-E 8-color tin station, self-contained automatic. We are very excited. This print is a 7-color simulated process. We'll be printing this on all made garments. And one of the things I will bring to your attention, when people are talking about simulated process high resolution printing, not only do we have to worry about having great artwork and getting the screen exposed and developed properly, but registration. You cannot cut corners on registration. In my opinion, a 1-point registration mark is just way too big for simulated process. We're using quarter-point registration mark. And what I want you to take a look at here is how close in, even up here on the top, that is 7 colors in the word job color matrix joker. The main, now you can see all the words independently, but in the corners you'll see that is 7 layers of ink. Under base, all the way through all the colors, including the gray and then the top white. So this is 7-color simulated process. Come by, see it being printed live, get a taco and a beer, grab a free shirt. We got swag bags, gonna be all kinds of cool stuff. We're gonna have Vastex is going to be here, Exile, Saati, Matsui, Korchem. We're going to have a lot of good demonstrations and Q&A sessions with the manufacturers, in addition to sales, a lot of hot specials. Don't miss it, colormatrix.com, check it out to get your free tickets, or give us a call at 404-691-0015. And as always, God bless and thanks for watching.